Everyone, this is cabin 8104. This is a partial view deluxe balcony, or a deluxe balcony partial view, however you want to say it. Let's go take a look at that right away. Now, the balcony itself is actually gigantic. I mean, this is the cabin you guys want. Holy mackerel. It's unbelievable. There are suites on this ship that don't have balconies this big. This is not an accessible cabin either. It's just partial view because you're looking at lifeboats. And so because of which, I guess, they gave you a really giant balcony. So let's go look at the inside. Wow, this is the cabin y'all want. So it is set up. A lot of people always ask what it looks like when it's not in its king configuration. Well, and this is what it looks like. So you have a twin there, a twin here. If it was going to be a king, that little nightstand would be on the outside and these would be pushed together. There's a USB power on the little silver things up underneath. It's kind of hidden. As you can see, you have a sofa that can also convert to become a bed. Across from the sofa, we have a mini bar, 5 drawers, a little stool, a little table that you can move around, lighted mirror, power, 2 European, 2 US, 2 USB, and a TV that's on a swivel so you can move that around. Big mirror at the foot of bed. We also have our closet. This side is a safe, some shelves, and some drawers. The other side is all hanging. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. And the bathroom, wow, look at that. Love the bathroom. It's got a toilet and a great place for someone my height is 6'4", plenty of width. So if you're on the fluffy side, it's going to be pretty good too. Nice corner sink and corner mirrors. You've got a makeup mirror. The shower is also a generous size. Love it. Got your soap and shampoo in there. And so, yeah, your deluxe balcony, partial view. Yes. And again, with this gigantic balcony. Guys, it's not a suite. Remember this cabin number? That's the one you want to book. Ciao.